Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the add-on not working in Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So there are two main checks that we need to do. First of all, you're going to need to check that the version of your Minecraft, this right here, version 26.20, is matching the version of the add-on that you have. Because if the add-ons don't match, then they might have features that don't match this version of Minecraft, and so it will not work. And also from settings, once you go right here and you search for the global resources that you have, you will need to have two sets. So in the My Packs, when you check either View Marketplace or Get More Packs, from here you need to check that both the packs are in the same version, because some of them will require both a resource pack and a global resource pack from here. So it will be different and separated. You need to check that everything is all set, and that is by checking that everything is in the same version, and so everything is updated, and making sure that nothing from the active packs is interfering with the ones that you have downloaded, as you can see right here. And that is pretty much it. Always make sure that your packs are subscribed, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.